In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Basecamp, ensuring you can manage your workspace effectively and keep it streamlined. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or eliminating unnecessary clutter, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process with ease and confidence. First, let's open Basecamp and locate the project you wish to delete. As you log in, you'll see a list of your current projects displayed prominently on the main dashboard. Take a moment to carefully review and select the correct project you intend to remove. It's essential to ensure you're working with the right project, as deleting a project is a permanent action, so a little caution goes a long way. Once you've identified and opened the project, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the project page. Here, you'll find an icon represented by 3 vertical dots. This is known as the Options menu. Alternatively, some layouts might guide you directly to the project settings. Either way, you're on the right track when you reach this section, as this is where you'll find the tools necessary for managing project settings, including deletion options. As you scroll through the Settings menu, scan the options presented to you, looking for the Delete this project option. It's typically situated near the bottom of the settings page, so don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. This can sometimes require scrolling further down the list or keeping an eye out for this rather impactful option. Take your time to locate this, as careful navigation is crucial to prevent any unintended actions. When you've found the Delete this project option, brace yourself for the next step. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation dialog, a precautionary measure designed to double-check your intention to delete the project permanently. It's important to read this prompt carefully, as it outlines that this action will permanently remove the project and all its associated content, including files, to-dos, and any discussions. Completing the confirmation step will finalize the deletion process. Keep in mind that this is irreversible. Unless your Basecamp plan specifically includes options to restore deleted projects, this project and its contents will be gone for good. Take a moment to ensure this is truly what you want, as recovering permanent deletions without the proper plan support can be challenging or unlikely. And there you have it, a straightforward yet thorough guide to deleting a project in Basecamp. As you maintain your workspace, remember the importance of managing projects with a clear purpose and intention. This practice not only keeps your environment tidy, but also optimizes your productivity by focusing on what's most relevant and necessary. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful in achieving a streamlined Basecamp experience.